got some motherfucking design on right now.
It is sweet. To love, commitment, and to the beautiful journey of marriage. Cheers!
Yay!
Thank you very much. And now, making the event success. From the very beginning, it was clear that we had a great team of passionate individuals who were committed to making this wedding event unforgettable. Thank you, sir. And also thank you to our ushers and usherettes who assisted our callers. May we request to be careful in greeting and ordering
each other, do not detach your lips. Audience, please help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, and 53. Palakpakan natin.
Okay, congratulations to our 53 newlyweds. Thank you, sir. We shall now come to the releasing of the drums. May we request
Martates Jr. Sir. The tradition of releasing of the two doves symbolizes the wedding couples who start a new journey together. Like the pair of doves, whatever happens, they will always try to seek the comfort of each other and their home together. This is where your so-called body, and now your spouse is
Loving couples, are you now ready for your cake? At dito na po tayo magkakasubukan sa subuan. Alright, please stand up. We now come to the ceremonial slicing of the cake. This slicing of the cake symbolizes the commitment to share whatever path life is to be faced by the couple. Sharing of bride. Si bride muna ang susubukan. After which, the groom. Bride, subukan. Groom, subukan si bride. Thereafter, bride, subukan si groom. Taste the cake very well. What is the taste of the cake? Sweet. Sweet. It's sweet. It symbolizes sweetness and loving each other. Therefore, that is the reason why the cake is sweet. Thank you.
thank you, sir. Is the cake sweet? Okay. And now, for the first kiss of our newlyweds. Again, first kiss of our newlyweds. May we call on our chief of regional staff, Police Brigadier General
First kiss as ano?
Tapio.
As couple, officially.
Okay, I would like to request everybody to please take seats. Hold hands, two hands, as if we don't let go with each other. Okay? Then, look to each other's eyes. Kung may intimacy with feeling. Pag hindi nakatingin, ibig sabihin yan, na walang intimacy yan. Ayan.
With feelings daw ah.
So, as you exchange your first kiss, actually this is not the first kiss, setting up the Vilasibar, these are your first kiss, but rather it is your first long kiss, a 53 seconds kiss. Okay? So, will it be a sign of your solemn vows, a symbol of love?
Lahat ba?
I request the newly with couples and those
Couples
with
lang.
how is your arms must be empathy.
Kumaba, kumaba.
Which everyone, as we come together in this moment of unity and celebration, it is with hearts full of joy to honor the love and commitment shared by those couples in today's occasion.